pretty good coffee if you ask me. Or I'm just biased to it. Look at him. All the way over there. Crying. Crying because he sees another girl dog. But, what's up guys? I know I haven't made a video in like 3 months. Well, uploaded to the channel. I actually have made videos, it's just I have not uploaded them. They're edited but just not uploaded. And that's kind of just my own fault, really, because I'm ignoring this shed that my dad built and the power washer is getting fixed. But it's kind of just my own fault because the title of this video, obviously as you're gonna see, there's a really loud echo out here, I feel like. Oh yeah, there's, but oh yeah, like I was saying, I'm my biggest critic. Every single video that I've made, I was feeling it, and then once it got done editing, and just overall, I didn't like the video, just because I feel like that's not, look at this hole in there. They removed this big ass tree that almost fell on the house, but I just felt like the videos weren't good enough for the channel and what I was capable of making for the channel and for you guys to see. But that also diminished my channel with going another 3-4 months, I think, of not uploading anything, and it making it seem like I don't like making YouTube videos, which I do. I like making videos, taking photography. It's just me being the person I am. I just want it to be perfect, which I know sounds terrible. It sounds kind of good and terrible. It's mainly terrible because I can keep working on one single video for a long time, and it's just I'm always gonna find some little thing that is gonna end up pissing me off, or just I'm gonna want to change it, and then it'll prolong the process of just uploading the video and being done and moving on to the next one. So even with my photography account, 8th Spade Photos, if you guys haven't already followed that, and my personal Keysy Espana, that, and also my second YouTube channel is called Keysy Collectibles. I just open up Pokemon cards and stuff like that if you guys are into that and stuff. But just with critiquing all my stuff and just wanting everything to be perfect, that has pushed all that work back and just making it seem like I don't do anything on on both of these channels and on both of my Instagram pages. So what I think, I'm getting a call, hold on. Hello? What? Oh, okay. All right. It's 11, 12. Yeah, I'll probably be there in like the next hour, I would say, to go pick it up. All right, thank you. Thank you too. Well, I just got a call to pick up some shiny fates that I'm going to be opening up on my second channel, but that's besides the point of this video. I think what I'm going to try to be doing in 2021, we're already in the March in 2021 anyway, with this whole virus still going on, but what I'm going to try to do is, hey, come here, say hi, say hi, say hi. What I'm going to try to do is not be so harsh on myself and my work, because I would rather it be done and just out there into the world instead of me just prolonging the process of trying to get every single detail perfect and just to the exact point that I want, because that's never actually gonna happen. There's no such thing as a perfect video, a perfect picture, and a perfect person. Everybody and everything is not perfect. That was a pretty good take, if I say so myself. I think I put too much sugar in it. I'm starting to feel it at the bottom now. Do I look like a giant? Does my head look big in this view right here? Should I lift it up? Maybe look at it like that. I don't think it's gonna rain. Kinda looks good though, because the overcast is always really good, so the harsh sun doesn't beam on you or anything and make me look overexposed. But it does look like it's gonna rain. It's a really nice day. The time's changing. It's not cold anymore. It hasn't been cold like the last 3 days, but it has been getting really windy. Excuse me. So I think it is gonna rain either today or tomorrow. One of those. No, I tasted all the sugar at the bottom. Maybe it was a good decent amount. Still good though. Still have another cup left. So, but like I said, while I was outside, we're back into the studio. The angle. There's gonna be different angles. It's still the same exact view that we saw from my last video, but last video was like 3-4 months ago, like I said. But like I said, 2021, we're gonna try to be less critical on our stuff and try to be less. But I feel like if you don't critique your own things and just kind of throw anything out there and just it has to be a well balanced, like a really good balance of critiquing your things and not producing or putting out just shit, and then also not being so hard on yourself that every single video or picture has to be perfect, that has to be the best video or picture in the world. Just I have to lighten up, and you maybe are falling into the same exact thing. Maybe that's why you haven't started a YouTube channel, or maybe that's why you haven't uploaded pictures, because you're being so critical and being your biggest critic, and at the end of the day, your worst enemy. So what are we gonna do all 2021? Be less critical of our work and just kind of put it out there and let other people critique it and let other people tell you about your work, and not just you feeling like, oh, my work is the best, this has to be this way, this has to be that way. Just put it out there, let other people critique it, because that's what we're here to do. You know, we put it out there for other people to enjoy, not just ourselves. So let's stop holding ourselves back. I feel like I need to make this video not only for myself, but maybe other people that are probably just falling into the same rut again that I've fell into. But yeah, just try to get out of it, move on, make the video, edit it, move on, take the photo, edit it, and move on. So thank you guys for watching. As always, if you aren't subscribed, make sure to hit that red subscribe button, turn it gray, turn on the post notification bell to be notified when I post a new video, and see you in the next one. Peace. I even forgot what the fuck I do now. Peace. This way. Peace out. See you guys later. Let's say right there. I feel like I look short right here. You see that part, that split? I'm looking at the monitor right now, but see that split right there? I don't know. I always either get it right here, or it comes to the side right here, and then it goes this way. My hair is... I actually dyed it from the probably last time you guys have seen me. It looks kind of horrible right now because it looks dry, but yeah, I'm telling you, I've been doing things, just not recording anything. But I mean, I've recorded anything, I just haven't uploaded anything. Getting one of those.
To speak with
getting one of those spam calls.
Press 1. Again.
That's how I deal with them. Hold on.
Social Security Administration Office, how can I help?
Yeah, I just got a call that my Social Security was deactivated for some reason.
When did you receive the call, sir? It was today, yesterday?
Just now.
Just now, okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a case number or a reference number where I can look into it and pull up the information?
No, like I said, they just called me, and so I just clicked number 1 or whatever it was to talk to a rep.
Okay. Alright, no problem, sir. Let me look into it, okay?
Alright.
Can you help me out with your first name and your last name?
Yeah, it's stop scamming people, bitch.
That is a real nice name. So you are a scammer?
No, that's you. Don't play. Don't play. I know how you guys are. Come on. Don't play. You fucking scammer.
You're a cheat.
Fucking scammer. That's how you sleep at night. That's how you sleep at night.
What are you? And what do you do?
None of your business. That's what I do. I know what you do. You fucking scam people. I know you scam people around the world and shit. Piece of shit. How do you sleep at night? How do you sleep at night? Piece of shit. Yeah, alright, I'm watching you on those cameras that you got. You're acting like I can't hack your shit either.
Well, actually,
Exactly.
I don't sleep at night.
Yeah.
I sleep in day.
Yeah. Delete my number, scamming ass bitch. He was probably the first person ever that didn't hang up when I say something like that. That's actually pretty surprising. That's why I had to just kind of go off on him. But usually when this happens, I just answer it so they could delete my number. But I just say I'm like, stop scamming people, and they'll just hang up. This is actually the first person that has ever responded to me that way. They usually just hang up, like I said, but that was pretty amazing, and it's funny that I got it on camera. So I hope you guys watched all the way to the very end, because that's funny.